dahil meron kaming day 2
shopping!
Thank you, Ala!
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoos! Andito kami ngayon sa kotse at ibig sabihin yan lalabas kami dahil meron kaming day 2
Shopping!
Thank you, Ala! Oh my gosh! Magsha-shopping kami ngayon at sa ibang mall naman kami pupunta ni Andy kasi syempre tapos na tayo sa Rockwell.
Kopi lang tayo, no?
Ngayon naman nandito kami sa BGC kasi ipapasyal din namin ang pinakamaganda kong mother-in-law na mami ni Andy.
Huh?
Dahil hindi pa siya nakakapunta dito sa BGC since dumating siya dito sa
Sa
Pilipinas. Kaya naman.
So we'll treat her for coffee, she'll treat us for
Doon sa Holden and Harlem ba yun? Harlem and Holden.
something like that.
Masarap daw yung kape doon. So, yes, masarap talaga pati yung cookies. But we are on a diet.
Mahal ng kaping yan, ha?
Oo, mahal yung kape talaga.
Kaping may kapalit.
Kapeng may kapalit. Ito na, malapit na kami. Dito kami sa BGC. Oh. Ayan. Today, Sunday. Walang ka-traffic. Inuna muna namin ni Andy ang shopping. Inuna muna namin ni Andy ang shopping bago ang gym. Kasi uuwi na rin yung mami ko kasi mamaya. Kaya yun. We'll see kung ano mangyari.
At least sa
Update ko
BGC,
kayo, mga
may mga parks na. There's one over there.
Meron na.
Yeah, it looks like you can just sit down.
Maganda na talaga yung community ng BGC.
Yun lang, the
Galing ng
problem
ginawa
is
nila.
kasi if it rains, syempre putik.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. Before the sun goes down.
Grabe, ang dami maganda.
Always by your side. I'll be always by your side. Through shifting skies and endless miles, I walk with you through every trial. And it's enough, I gotta say. It's super important, we all need a place we can just check in, kick back, unwind, surrounded by widows that feel like mine. These are the people sharing you up. Tears for tears when things go wrong. Oh, a friendly show, yeah, they got your back.
And nandito na ako sa room. Galing kami ni Ola doon sa nail salon. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi naghiwalay na kami ni Andy. Nagpalinis ako ng kuko dahil may work ako tomorrow. Abangan niyo yung work ko bukas. Ano yun? Ayan. So, ayan siya. Nagpa-nails ako biglaan. Eh, meron ako nakita dyan. Buti tinanggap pa kami. Last na last ako. My goodness. So, ngayon naman ako ay pupunta na sa gym. Dahil since hindi na kami nakapag-gym kanina ng umaga, Ngayon na kami, ako na muna mag-gym kasi wala na mami ko dito. Back to school na yung mga pamangkin ko, kaya uuwi na rin siya dun sa kabilang bahay. Kaya kami na lang 5 yun nandito. Si Ola tutulog na yun. Maaga siya natutulog kasi iba yung oras niya talaga. Adelaide time pa rin yung sinusunod niya. So, ako na lang muna yung mag-gym. Hindi ko alam kung si Andy mag-gym. Pero more so, baka ano lang ako. Ako ay magka-cardio lang dahil maaga ako tomorrow. So, BRB.
Alright, so we are back home from BGC. Just picked up a few things from Zara for an upcoming trip. So I thought I'd show you as a little bit of a preview. I picked up, and what's good actually, because they're on sale at the moment. So it's always nice when things are on sale. But the other thing is, there's a chance someone else might be wearing it. But sana hindi. So I got this top. I actually saw a different version of this top. A friend wore it and it was a long sleeve. And I saw the short sleeve version. I thought this would be perfect for our trip. We are going somewhere warm. I know this is a little bit hot, but I think it's very stylish. And it was a yarn 25.95 down to 17.95. Then, oops, it's not organized. And so I picked up this sort of army color looking top. It's a textured sando, which was down by 500 pesos. So I really like this. I did get it a size smaller because I'm trying to inspire myself and push myself to lose some weight. So this is a little bit tight on me at the moment, but I actually be wearing this with a suit jacket that I got. Also picked up this one. It's like a salmon color, sleeveless top. So kind of seems obvious where we're going, but or the place at least, but maybe not the exact location. But yeah, got that. And then I'll show you. So I don't know if you can see it here, but I picked up this blazer top. So it's got a bit of white piping here. We have a gala event on the 11th. And I saw this online and I was thinking, this is perfect because it's black and white. It's something a little bit different. And I got a textured top under there. So at the moment, I'm either thinking of this with the white shirt underneath, or it could be with the sando that I just showed you. So just whichever one looks better on the day, or whatever I feel like, that's what I'll go for.
Ayan. Nasa room na tayo. Nasa hotel na. Nakita nyo pa kanina guys dun sa video namin sa The Fort na sa BGC na sobrang daming tao doon sa mismong tawiran. Kasi kinlose nila yung area na yun. Kinoklose yata nila every Sunday kung di ako nagkakamali. Tapos ang daming mga families doon na tumatambay, tinitignan yung mga ilaw. Kung nakapunta na kayo sa Japan, meron doon na parang Shibuya Crossing. Parang ganun yung itsura at dating sa akin. Parang na-miss ko yung area na tinatawiran namin. Tapos ang dami-dami ng mga tao. Nakakatuwa, tapos ang daming ilaw. And I think maganda yun kasi may parang bago ng nagiging tambayan yung mga tao. And napansin ko na yung BGC ngayon, sobrang na talagang daming nagpupunta. May mga pampamilya na areas, may mga pang-bagets, tsaka syempre meron din pang mga kagaya natin. Talagang lumalaban tayo sa mga tambayan doon. Yun yung napansin ko doon. Sobrang improve ng BGC. Ang laki ng improvement niya. Kaya ang mahal na ata doon tumira. Ang dami ng mga condos, ang dami ng mga buildings, daming hotels, tapos yung mall, at sobrang daming tao sa Zara. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you kay Ola kasi nakapag-shopping tayo ng gagamitin natin for tomorrow's. Kaya sana abangan ninyo kung nasan ako bukas. Thank you so much Ola sa pag-shopping sa amin ni Andy. Ang daming tao sa Zara kasi sale. Kaya kung gusto niyo pang humabol, baka hindi ko lang sure kung hanggang kailan yung sale. Yes, babe. Dadaan ka, no? Hindi ka makadaan kasi nakahubad ka. Anyway, mga zoobs, kailangan ko nang matulog, kailangan ko nang magpahinga. Again, thank you so much, Ola, for our round 2 of shopping. May round trip pa kasi may kailangan pa akong bilhin. Charot! Joke lang! Bye mga Zoobs and good night sa inyo. Mwah!